Māori, our potential to be realised. Now, what does this mean? I'm a young teen keen to find the me. I picked this topic because I think we Māori are far better than thugs. We have potential to be realised, and that's no snub. Sup, kia ora, they call me Ray, and I'm here to talk about my topic today. I'm a young Māori boy, and I'm here to make a point, so sit back and enjoy my 3 main points. Number 1, how we can become realised for far more than what we have been realised to be. Number 2, how do we unlock our true potential inside you and me. And number 3, help you, help me. Let's all come together and start realising. So sit back, relax, and quiet the kids. Let me begin my speech. It goes something like this. Number 1, how we can become realised for far more than what we have been realised to be. We Māori have great potential because of our ancestry. Our ancestors have set a huge milestone for us Māori. Just think of everything they have accomplished, from waka making, sea navigating, to using the stars as a compass to explore the potential of our human existence. For instance, if they could do so much with only a small amount of resources then, imagine what we can do with everything we have now. Amen. We Māori are good at what we do, such as building, surviving, hunting and fishing, and being innovative too. If you think about it, being great is in our blood, passed down from generation to generation. Now it's our time to be greater. Not only to live up to the achievements of our ancestors, but to become better and surpass them. Sir Hector Busby was a traditional master carver, our tupuna from Te Rarawa. He started his journey as a waka maker. With his mathematical mind, he became a waka navigator. He is Māori, well known around the world. That's what got him recognised by the Queen as a Sir. So this is how we become realised for far more than what we have been realised to be. The best example is our Papa Hector, because he has left a legacy. Number 2, you need to see me for far more than who I am. A violent, uneducated, ill-disciplined young man. Now maybe you can say some of us have suffered these fates, the ones who need to follow their dreams, not their mates. Let's be the wolf, not the sheep, eh? Let's make a clear-cut case, because us Māori can be realised, and that's damn straight. As quoted by the late Albert Einstein, theoretical physicist, mastermind of our time, imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited, imagination encircles the world. Now that's a cool vision. I put this to you, everyone else in this room. If you believe in something, chase it, embrace it, and hold it true. Never give up until you succeed. Dreams are free. We are free to dream. Doesn't matter what we have been seen to be in the past. It only matters what we do now as true counterparts of our class. We must all come to the table and be honest when we're there. Without an education, it's hard trying to go anywhere. We need to go to school to ensure our dream, keep our noses clean and attitude mean. The avenues are clear, be smart and be wise. We need to use our imagination through an educated set of eyes. We need to unblock, restock, unlock the potential which is true, realizing the potential inside of me, inside of you. Number 3, help me, help you. Let's work together and start realizing the truth. To fulfill our true potential is to do as well as we can. Within you, me, every Māori, we have the ability to see our true potential seriously. Imagine you put your all for a basketball game. Blood, sweat, tears. Billy Donovan calls your name, coach for Oklahoma City Thunders. He says, "Hey, you little brown boy, I think you're good enough to play." Up stands Stephen Adams and walks his way. A young Pacific Māori boy, realised for his potential, breaks out to the major league and shows us what potential is meant for. Time after time, we prove the haters wrong, from dunking a ball to having #1 songs. From starring in Hollywood to owning television companies, we are already creating brighter futures for our tamariki. But yes, it is true. There's no future behind bars, stealing cars, wagging class, coming second to last. Suicide rates are up the tree. It doesn't matter if it's you or me. We are the same thing. Māori mā, what are we doing? So I say this, a win for you is a win for me, because a part of you is a part of me. To fulfill our true potential is to do as well as we can. Within you, me, every Māori, tātou mā, we can. So whānau, remember the name, eh? The name's Rei. And if you forget anything I say, I'm happy to take questions at the end of the day. Thank you.